Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. In particular though, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go and maybe leave a comment that simply says thanks. It really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is absolutely perfect if you have kiddos, and particularly if they are still in car seats. And it is a car monitor, if you will, so you can see them in the back seat. So especially if you have like a car that has multiple rows, this is going to work out perfect because you just can't always see the kiddos, especially if you have two, from your rear view mirror. So this was sent over by a company called Ellie Baby. This is the box it comes in. Once you open it up, obviously you're going to get an easy to read user manual. We're going to go over a lot of the features right here in the video. You're going to get everything you need. So this attaches to the headrest pole itself. So this is the contraption that you're going to utilize. So you have a little screw here that's going to allow you to adjust the fully rotating bar. So that way you can get the perfect angle. The part with the hole here, this is what's going to go over your actual headrest. So you're going to take this off. They do include an Allen wrench. So you just pop this off and then put it over your basically your headrest bar. Now, because all the cars are different sizes, you're gonna get a little bag here with a ton of different spacer options. So depending on your setup, you can utilize these to make sure it's a nice tight fit, which is really, really nice. And then on the other side here, this is where you are going to mount the camera itself, which is very similar to like a GoPro setup. So here is the camera. It's just gonna snap in place right here on this little kind of brace piece. If you wanna remove it, you can. It just has these little two kind of clips, and you can see those little dots is how it gets power. Simply just snaps in, very, very easy to use. But this slides on in, and then you are going to use the little stick here to tighten it up. And then once again, fully adjustable. So you can, once again, really, really easy to utilize. Make sure you capture every little angle that you need. Now, what's cool about this setup is if you have two kids, it can do dual screen. So you can see one child in the car seat on the one side, or maybe a toddler that's not in the car seat or something. You can see them. It also has auto zoom and auto tracking. So once it sees that face, it will zoom in and be able to keep a good eye on them. If they kind of wiggle, it'll move around digitally. The camera will stay with them. You can also, it will take pictures and everything like that. If you want to capture memories and stuff like that, you can easily do that. There is a button. Once it's plugged in and powered up, all you do is hit that button and it will turn on. On the side here is the little USB Type-C charging port. They include a nice super, super long cable. So if you do have to run a long run to power it up, it is USB on one side. So how you can power this up is it comes with a cigarette lighter that has two USB ports. One for the camera itself, the second one for the monitor, which we're gonna go over here in detail. However, if you're a newer car and you don't have that cigarette lighter and you just have the USB ports, a lot of cars have USB ports now, you can just plug this straight into the USB port. So you don't even have to, if you have a USB port in the back seat, you don't have to drape this all the way up to the front. You can just plug it in at the USB port wherever you have it. So it's nice, both easy ways to connect. Now, it talks to the monitor via an internal wireless signal. So here is the monitor itself. The monitor has a 5-inch 1080p screen, so it's very nice and vivid. The camera itself is a 2K UHD recording screen, so it records a little bit higher resolution than the monitor itself. And like I said, you can utilize the app to save and access those photos that you want to download, which is another nice feature of it. However, if you don't want to mess with the app, you don't need it. It actually works without the app. Once you turn on the camera, turn on the monitor, you will instantly see those photos and it'll do the split screen if you have the two kids. On the back, you're gonna have the power button. You're gonna be able to basically hit that mode button. That's gonna allow you to adjust the volume. So if you're wanting to record the volume, you can. Now, this has a speaker on the bottom side, has anti-slip. So depending on your car setup, you can just set this in a corner. However, they do include 3 little sticky things. So you can stick this on the bottom and then stick this, for example, like on a dashboard, and it won't slide around on you. Obviously, if you change cars or whatnot, get a new car or whatnot, they include extra ones so you can easily move these around, or if you find a better position, you can do that. Now on the side, once again, is where you're going to plug in the USB to USB Type-C cable to power up the device itself. But once again, very easy to utilize. Capture all those photos and memories if you wish on long car trips. You can download those via the apps. A lot of great way to monitor your kids. So if you are looking for a way to keep an eye on those kiddos on some road trips in the back seat, this is totally worth checking out. If there's something that I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.